Majita, welcome back to the channel bafethu. Igama lami nguseko ku-Football SA lona bafethu. Indaba ye-stories vandag wam. Too many stories bafethu. I can only choose the top stories only Majita. Namhlanje ndithetha nge-preseason Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates preseason plans, superstar Orlando Pirates dominator PSL award nominations. Latest transfer story nguKabelo Dlamini, squad se-under 23 se-SA esizodlala i-Olympic qualifiers. Orelebehile Mofokeng usayinwe yi-agency entsha international manager top players Orkant. Former co-coach Kaizer Chiefs uCedric Kaze ujoyine i-team entsha PSL. Sundowns hijack i-deal Orlando Pirates, hijack i-signing Orlando Pirates. Ningalibali usubscribe no like i-video bafethu. I-top story endizoqala ngayo bafethu, i-Orlando Pirates attacking midfielder uKabelo Dlamini Majita. uDlamini bekuthiwa uya kwiStellenbosch mos, and then the latest story from a leading journalist lapha South Africa bafethu, i-top dog ye-journalism, uLawrence Khola bafethu, ureporte ba iStellenbosch asimtholi uDlamini. Why uDlamini bafethu kuthiwa urejecte i-offer iStellenbosch? iStellenbosch iyangocaca lewe yayo bakhe i-team right professionally well organized ene-facilities ezi-grand, but kuthiwa in terms of i-salary offers iStellenbosch ayikwazi ukhompyutha grand ezinye i-team. Zikhona i-team apha kwi-Betway Premiership less professional than iStellenbosch, but zikhompyutha better zona nge-salaries. iStellenbosch kuthiwa i-salaries zakhona ingathi zincane. uDlamini player yesibini no-rejecta iStellenbosch offer. Before yena ibenguNjabulo Blom, ngoku kuthiwa nguDlamini. Ithini esi story? Orlando Pirates playmaker Kabelo Dlamini has rejected a move to Stellenbosch FC, which has also seen proposed swap deal with Faiz Abrams and Dublin Boone to the Buccaneers cast in doubt. So esi story ngoba siphuma bafethu bethiwa uDlamini uzawuba ki-swap deal. Okay, Stellenbosch izawuthola uDlamini, and Orlando Pirates isayine players i-youngsters i-2, uFaiz Fire Abrams, lalayithi i-winger idlala i-Cape Town Spurs ki-Stellenbosch, i-right winger, and international under 20 bewine i-AFCON under 20 ne-SA, plus nenye ilayithi yase-New Zealand eyi-goalkeeper elingamla kuthiwa nguDublin Boone. Bethiwa Orlando Pirates nenoDlamini ayi-Stellenbosch, mara kuthe uDlamini kuthiwa le deal eStellenbosch i-offers i-personal terms akayazijampela. I-personal terms iba yisalary plus neminyaka ye-contract. uDlamini una-30 ngoku-proven attacking midfielder ye-Betway Premiership, creative, goal scoring, scorer ne-free kicks. Iqhubeka i-report kaLawrence ithi Dlamini 30 had been identified as a key target for head coach Gavin Hunt, and a deal has been agreed in principle with winger Abrams and goalkeeper Boone expected to be part of the swap deal. However, Idiski Times has been informed the deal has reached a deadlock, with Dlamini rejecting the move to the Cape Winelands ahead of the 2026-27 season. I-players kulamalanga bafethu azivumi nje if into zayijambela ayizukwenzeka bafethu. Ine-story esinjena futhi apha ke-top stories apha kule video engixela ngaso similar. I-players ngoku these days ziyazijambela if jonga ayigcwali nge-offer ibekwe phansi phambi kwakhe. Amanani if ekusey-player ayiwafuna amanani ayizusayina. And then the story continues. Pirates will now need to restart talks with Stellies if they want to acquire Abrams and Boone, while there's been interest from Durban City and 2 Gauteng-based clubs for the winger. Sources indicate that Abrams is open to the move to Durban, given their recent success in the Nedbank Cup, which qualified the team for CAF Confederation Cup football. Meanwhile, Dlamini has made 187 appearances for the club, very experienced player, but fell down the pecking order under Abdeslam Owad when only made 9 appearances. This is a fact. uDlamini wayedlala under uJose Riverio before Orlando Pirates. uDlamini wayesherisha imizuzu ebaleni mos, plus noPatrick Masangwane, la number 10 role babemsherisha. uDlamini qho wayeba ne-impact umjita. It's either wayeba ne-tailing pass okanye ascore i-goal, but oko kafika uAbdeslam Owad. uAbdeslam Owad uzangamjonga grand umjita. Doesn't mean iplayer ikontswempu. Ziyafika i-coaches, i-coach ithi iplayer intswempu, i-coach ngayijonga la player yenzeke loyo uDlamini bafethu. But uDlamini usena 30 bafethu. I-modern football ayisekho la uyiba iplayer kana 30 ichayile bafethu. I-modern sports science bafethu iyazinceda i-players for bazidlale until abo 36-37. uDlamini una 30 bafethu. Imagine out ingadlala 5 more seasons, especially if ngumjita ojima grand ozinakekeleyo one-discipline. So the players osana uDlamini uzathola equality benithe Kaizer Chiefs masana uDlamini bafethu ayinayo attacking midfield maybe uDlamini bafethu ujambile for iStellenbosch ngoba kuse maybe ufonelwe Kaizer Chiefs sizawubona Kaizer Chiefs suppose ba make uDlamini machita Kaizer Chiefs ayidinga attacking midfielder. And then the second top story bafethu is about Kaizer Chiefs nayo i-preseason plan ya Kaizer Chiefs ingathi zayo camp different this season. Yakhumbula last season Kaizer Chiefs yayi campishe eNetherlands mosman, and then the season before that season before that Kaizer Chiefs yayibe iseTurkey. This time Kaizer Chiefs ingathi izoya eSpain bafethu. I'm saying ingathi because i-announcement ayikatsho uba okay Kaizer Chiefs iya eSpain na, but la training center yaseSpain iMarbella le Orlando Pirates iqhela uya kuyo for the past 3 seasons i-announce iveze i-fixtures ze-teams ezobaphaza udlala i-friendlies. La center bafethu must a high performance training facility iphinde ibe nazo namabala odlala i-friendlies yakwazi uhosta up to 10 clubs bafethu la center. And then kuyakhupha i-fixtures, then kusekwezi fixtures kukho i-matches eyi-2 ze-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs versus i-club yase-South Arabia i-Al Akud apha kule first or second week kaJuly, and then second game Kaizer Chiefs against i-Elche yase-Spain on the 14th of July. So ingathi ijambe Kaizer Chiefs nayo ye-Spain again bafethu. If not ayi-Spain mingenave rumors ba Kaizer Chiefs ingaya eGermany, but andikho sure ke ngezo rumors ngokuba ise-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba se-Germany ne-Spain at the same time. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs izaba se-Spain nayo as things stand ingathi ijambile izaba se-Spain Kaizer Chiefs nayo. So okwangoku bafethu ndizabe ndisifollowisha ese story, watch that space. Kaizer Chiefs phofu ngoku ingathi likhile indaba Kaizer Chiefs ye-Spain, it's just a matter of a formal announcement. I-second top story bafethu izinja ziqhawukile machita. Orlando Pirates both i-Sundowns i-hijack i-deal Orlando Pirates bafethu. Attacking midfielder i-Golden Arrows / winger uSiyanda Ndlovu hijackiwe i-Sundowns from Orlando Pirates bafethu. uNdlovu bafethu besenze i-medical test Orlando Pirates wayiphasa. Orlando Pirates yabeka i-offer yathi kusejonga nansi i-offer, and then ngoba kwathiwa kwenzeka ntoni benithethile ngale way in the previous video ye-transfers kuthiwa kuse uNdlovu wadathwa i-Sundowns i-Sundowns yava ba okay Pirates twice Sundowns ya-offerisha uNdlovu triple amount Orlando Pirates eyibekileyo bafethu. iruma encane bafethu nje ehletyezwayo kuthiwa kuse Orlando Pirates imjita umfarishe i-72,000 ngenyanga. Twice Sundowns ya-offerisha triple, then uNdlovu phela rejecta Orlando Pirates ke ngoku uyaphi Sundowns yamsigna bafethu. Sundowns yam-announcile uNdlovu bafethu. uNdlovu ba-hijacked from Orlando Pirates, i-team ethanda uhijacka i-deals hijackwa kuyo ngoku i-deal bafethu. uNdlovu sesimbonile seyiqale even ujima kwi-Sundowns bafethu. Drama lena bafethu, but ke kuse-Pirates twana yazenza eziwi sometimes nawe uzoshaywa, even ushaya abantu nawe uzoshaywa sometimes. Kaizer Chiefs funeka ifunde ukwenza lento bafethu. Ki-football bafethu, kwi-business ye-football funeka ube ruthless, funeka ungcole, funeka kusewenze ezinye ways sometimes ezinjena bakusejonga ube ngutsotsi ube nguclever if kuseyi-sporting director se-club bafethu. Kaizer Motaung Junior afuneka angabe ngu-goody two shoes kakhulu, afuneka angabe ngu-English boy too much, funeka abe ngathi ubakasi sometimes if ufuna ukhompyutha for i-top players. Enye top story bafethu, uRelebohile Mofokeng bafethu, superstar former Orlando Pirates superstar bafethu, edlalela i-Belgian Giants i-Royal Union Saint-Gelo ese-Belgium bafethu. Mofokeng usayinwe i-agency entsha bafethu international, i-The Team, i-Global Football Agency leyo. uFederico Valverde we-Real Madrid ne-Uruguay, uCurtis Jones we-Liverpool, imanager ne-coaches ezifana no-Mikel Arteta we-Arsenal. Le agency isayine uMofokeng bafethu. Izinto zahlangana grand for uRele bafethu. Another top story bafethu, South Africa under-23 team i-announce i-squad sayo sodlala i-Olympic qualifiers. One of the leaders lale team bafethu ngibona senza ne-interviews umfundo Vilakazi we-Kaizer Chiefs. I think uzoba yi-captain okanye i-vice captain lale team umtshana. I-Olympics zodlala e-LA, Los Angeles, America ngo-2028. I-qualifiers iqala ngoku machida. And then another top story bafethu, former Kaizer Chiefs co-coach uCedric Kaze u-announcewe appointwe iSekhukhune United. Head coach iSekhukhune United make simbona uCedric Kaze ba uyakwazi ucoacha nawo kanye nje by Kaizer Chiefs ebe-protectwa efihlwa nje ezi-players ezi-grand ze-Kaizer Chiefs. Sizambona makazibona ukuthi bayakwazi ucoacha nawo uCedric Kaze, but kumnandi emzansi bafethu uCedric Kaze bathola izibhani iSekhukhune United make sibone. And then finally bafethu i-nominations for i-PSL awards bafethu. Yona award bafethu yona niyijonge grand kuzo zonke le PSL football of the season bafethu. Ngu-Ozone Apollos bafethu, superstar Orlando Pirates. Mofokeng bafethu was a top player bafethu. Mofokeng ndiyamthanda Mofokeng namrespecta, but kuse bangakulinge barobhe Apollos bafethu. Apollos was the best player bafethu kwi-Beta Premiership South Africa last season. Mofokeng uTswembu bafethu had more magic moments. Mofokeng yoba nazo za moments ba ajonga iyami bajonga rele ngokushaya imilingo mtshana wam uNtswempu, which is I know and agree uba Mofokeng bafethu superstar, but aPolice bafethu be-consistent aPolice bengenazo imatch okanye izikhathi ematchini uba okay aPolice out ngoku. aPolice bafethu iyaperforma from i-first game until the last game bafethu. Nakwi-match aPolice bafethu bengavele aduke bafethu beperforma from the first minute until the last minute. Ayidlalela lade bafethu, ayinja yasekasi lala phandle abaPolice bafethu, inja amathambo. Last season aPolice bafethu ningakulinge nidlale ngayo amapolisa amarhadi hayi. But let me read zonke bafethu is nominations. Football of the season nominations: aPolice, Orlando Pirates, Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates, Teboho Mokoena, Sundowns. Then Petro Premiership Players Player of the Season: aPolice, Pirates, Mofokeng, Pirates, Sebelebele, Pirates. I-Players Player of the Season, if awuyazi bafethu akusho ngayo ba say nonomehluko between i-Player of the Season plus ne-Players Player of the Season. I-Players Player of the Season ivotelwa zii-players ze-Petro Premiership, yabo kuzo zonke ii-clubs ii-players avote, and then awukwazi uvotela i-teammate yakho. I think ii-players avota grand futhi ziyazi basijonga yiphi i-best player kwi-Petro Premiership last season. And then the Petro Premiership Coach of the Season, Miguel Cardoso, Sundowns, Ben Khalil Youssef, Cedric Kaze, Kaizer Chiefs, and then Abdeslam Wadu, Orlando Pirates, Jambile. What a coach. And then Goal of the Season, Cameron Danson, Orlando Pirates, Kumule Nambani yalavolo ibetha against i-Sundowns, what a goal mtshana. And then enye i-Golden Arrows, Siyana Dlovu, Golden Arrows, kumla ngoyithatha abantu, I think washaya i-players wadriblisha i-players eziyi-4 or 5 eStellenbosch, washaya igoli e-Ekron Stadium. And then Kaizer Chiefs, Claudeli Lepo, wabetha lawe mjita against isiwelele lawe kwakuthiwa ajonga Lilepo ibi-cross leya okanye ibi-short ekhumulela goal kaLilepo nayo nominations the Goal of the Season. And then Goalkeeper of the Season, wow, Sipho Chain, Ricardo Goss, Brendan Peterson, I think Brendan Peterson in my opinion. And then Defender of the Season, Khuliso Motau, Lebone Siema, Orlando Pirates nguye i-Defender of the Season, Tala ndatsho phakule channel bafethu kule season. And then Nkosinathi Sibisi. And then Petro Premiership Midfielder of the Season, Ozona Police, Mofokeng, Teboho Mokoena. And then Petro Premiership Young Player of the Season, the players under 21, Isaac Cisse, Golden Arrows, the midfielder, Twaye Belgium Ngoko. And then Seluleko Mahlambi, we TS Galaxy la winger in Ntswempu Great. And then Relebohile Mofokeng now you say under 20 umchita. Pufi he was under 20, especially ngobiqala January. I think this season when last season. Yeah, ngobiqala January ngo-2025. Season iqala ngo-August mos, and then if ngo-January buse under 21 you qualify for the way Mofokeng nayo ulapha. And then top goal scorer ngu-Sede Junior Dion we-Golden Arrows. Umchita kuthiwa ngathi uye-Asia, ese-UAE. MTN 8, last man standing, which is like the player of the tournament. Nominations are Police Pirates, Tsepa Moremi Pirates, Sebelebele Pirates. I think uSebelebele wayi-influential kakhulu ngenyani phaa Orlando Pirates bafethu from ki-MTN 8. I think umchita wascora ne-goal ezi-groot against the Sundowns kwi-semi-finals. And ngiyazibhini safika nofika Orlando Pirates ube ne-impact enjeyana. I think yaSebelebele I think udeserve uba yi-last man standing nge-MTN 8. Then i-culling knockout player of the tournament, Washington Arobi, Marumo Gallants, Bekezeli Mbokazi, Orlando Pirates. Ndaba ithethwa ndlondlo Marumo Gallants. Marumo Gallants yafika i-final ye-culling knockout ngenxa ye-heroics ka-Washington Arobi, ki-penalties, I think i-quarterfinals like last 16 against the Sundowns. And then a Nedbank Cup player of the tournament, Darren Kate, Durban City, Siphamandla Nqanana, Durban City, Brooklyn Pochempol, Durban City. I think uSiphamandla Nqanana, central defender Durban City, Ntswempu la out bafethu. Just that I think Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs azidingi central defender ngoku I believe. Unless Pirates mhlawumbe kuseyo angahamba uLebone Siema, which he deserves overseas. Pirates maybe ngajonga uNqanana, top player leya bafethu. Watch out for uSiphamandla Nqanana Durban City. Captain umchita Ntswempu. I think we Nedbank player of the tournament. The Nedbank Cup promising player of the tournament, under 23 player, Carl Jurgens, Durban City, Ntswempu, Carl Jurgens. Seluleko Mahlambi, TS Galaxy, Luphumlo Sifumba, Durban City. Motsepe Foundation players as player of the season. Keto Kuthula Ndlovu, Kruger United, Ronaldo Fanil, Hungry Lions, Emil Witboy, Cape Town City. And then Motsepe Foundation Championship Young Player of the Season, a player under 19. Gabriel Amato, Cape Town City, Mlala Tukapi, Gabriel Amato, twice Sundowns, twice Sundowns, bafethu. Sundowns yabeka i-offer for the light ngomlungu bafethu, central midfielder, Khabange left, Ntswempu Gabi bafethu. Sundowns yafaka i-offer, Cape Town City reject. Emil Witboy yamazi, and then Caden Fortune, Ntswempu light, Cape Town City now, central defender, na 18. Bidlala every game, NFD bafethu, 18-year-old central defender, Caden Fortune. Watch out for that name bafethu. I think now I'm trying a young player of the season paki NFT. If I go Amato, the light to Caden Fortune, the light Stefano ngaba easy kanjani bafethu ulight na 18 sinodlala ku-NFD central defender ena light ayikho nkulu nakakhulu light qha nje inhliziyo netechnique nengqondo Swim Caden Fortune bafethu Mosepa Foundation Championship goalkeeper of the season Malcolm Jacobs weVenda FC Siphamandla Hleza uMilford inswem la out futhi keeper uMilford uSiphamandla Hleza and then uMickey van der Hart Cape Town City and then Mosepa Foundation Championship top goal scorer uNtuthuko Mlochwa weLerumo Lions no Ronaldo Fanilo Hungry Lions basherishile bafethu award babebambana ngegoals iDStv DTC player of the season bafethu Bennett Mokwena Sundowns striker Sundowns scoring at siphambene Jimane first team ukumshithi promoted for Bennett Mokwena Sundowns striker watch out for him player of the season DTC nomination DTC player of the season nominee ngoku then uLebo Mohlala Orlando Pirates Lebo Mohlala Orlando Pirates bafethu central midfielder Orlando Pirates captain Orlando Pirates DTC and then Mphopa Dimi Orlando Pirates la winger light ithanda ukwenza tricks ithanda ukushobhotha kakhulu Orlando Pirates akajimi ne first team yena umjana maybe because tactical akabikho grand Mphopa Dimi but exciting player but let's see Diski challenge top goal scorer Bennett Mokwena Sundowns obviously and then PSL assistant referee of the season Nandipha Menze Elias Elfas Sithole Zakhele Siwela performile shemu Zakhele Siwela ngike ngambona sometimes in the decision as a grand. And then PSL referee of the season Moreki Lekwape angikwazi nokwazi Eugene Mdluli ndamazi Eugene yawu Eugene bephola upholele Eugene Mdluli as a PSL referee and then obviously Abongile Tom kulebeki World Cup I think uzoyibina na kanjani lewe just for high profile as well and also be perform a grand shame Abongile Tom but ingonyama yami leya ngibani leya ine afro imfutshane uJelly Chivani boza yami leya but ke high nominations Abongile Tom Eugene Mdluli no Moreki Lekwape nazo bafethu wePSL 2025-26 nominees awards zizawuza it was dlala nge-27 kaJuly Monday ngo-7 sabona ngoko big winner of the night funeka benga-Apollo Sibaba bafethu angamRobbie amapolisa otherwise nazo bafethu zafana ngicela ngale bantu support channel bafethu ngo like okanye ngo subscribe much bafethu